Welcome. In this section we will be cleaning our code, so our driver script will be more compact. So inside driver folder, let's create new script called driver settings. Let's open it, clean it. Let's delete the mono behavior, so our script will not be GameObject component but regular class. Now keep it empty for now, and let's create public class loop settings. Let's go back to driver. Let's first select auto repeat, loop count and loop type, cut it and paste it to our loop settings class. Back in driver class, let's select the enum. Let's cut it and also paste it to our driver settings script. Now create another public class called wait settings. And from driver class, let's cut wait and wait max variables, paste them inside our wait settings class. Also from driver, select calculate random time function and cut it, and also paste it to our wait settings class. Now let's create last class, event settings. And from driver, select both events, cut them, and again, paste them in our event settings class. Just don't forget to add unityengine.events namespace. Now let's fill our original driver setting class. So let's create public loop settings loop, public wait settings wait, and public event settings events. Save it. Let's go back to driver, clean some unused code and lines, and let's create public driver settings variable. And now we need to fix our code. Let's start with the set progress, and let's add settings.loop prefix to our loop count variable. Next, fix our wait settings with a settings.wait prefix. Again, let's add settings.loop to our loop count variable. And also we can use it in both loop types and auto repeat variables. And the last one, let's add loop settings.events prefix to our both events. Now let's save the file and fix the coloring. Let's check it in our scene. Let's select the dry tester, and we have a problem. We can't see any driver settings class. To fix it, open our driver settings class and add to all classes attribute system.serializable. With this attribute, the classes will be visible inside the editor. Let's check it. Let's click on driver tester, and now we see our settings class and also our subclasses. The last thing we will change is setting default value to the duration. So we will always start with duration 1. That's it for this lesson, and see you in the next one.